Ladies and gentlemen, you know that on the E.B.U.N Show we have had over 40 episodes. What you might not know is the fact that we shoot and edit those episodes using my phone, iPhone XS. Yes, everything done on phone. I'm bad like that. Now I'm here to announce to you that there is an upgrade. Drum rolls. Ta-da! This is an iPhone 13 Pro Max. Yeah. And I'm here for the unboxing. So let us unbox this together. Minding E.B.U.N cosmetic saying. Yay! I love the color. Yeah, I love the color, and here it is. I know most of you are big boys and big girls. You probably have the 14 already or the 14 plus, but we are still at this stage and we are taking it one step at a time. Of course, for those that are iPhone users, you already know that these are about everything. This is about everything that comes with the phone. All you have in this place is just a sticker and you have the pin. The paparazzi is too much. Now, let's get back to the cocoa of the matter, Gogo. The phone. This phone is beautiful, right? It fits me a B. But this phone belongs to my husband. Why am I excited? Well, he's been a very supporting husband. So definitely, I start shooting the E.B.U.N Show using a 13 Pro Max. So we're ready for sharper picture quality. Of course, everything upgraded. And if the Spirit of God is saying it should just dash me, because as I'm holding this phone, it has glued to my hand. Babe, what are you saying? What is the Lord saying?
The Lord is saying, go and get your own.
Okay, now, so you're watching. If the Lord is speaking to you, me, I don't want 13 Pro Max.
Which one
it
do you
is
want?
14.
14 Pro Max.
Yeah, you want 14 Pro Max, 14 plus. It is 14 I want. But don't worry. If it is 13, God is laying on your hand, bring it. Even if it's not Pro Max, if it's just 13. Okay, that's a joke. So we are grateful for this. And in fact, you don't want to hear the story of this phone. This phone has been through many oceans and rivers. Did you hear me? Not ocean, no, oceans and rivers. But that's sorry for the other day. So I've never done unboxing in my life, so I thought to do it today. I hope you enjoyed the brief video. You can touch your screen if you want something like this. It is grace.
You mean you've been using used phones before?
Me, no. My iPhone XS is brand new. I got brand new. So I'm a big girl like that.
Shit, let's go.
I'm a big girl like that. I'm a big girl like that. Is the hair flipping? I'm a big girl like that. Otto. And in anticipation of better quality of pictures from the E.B.U.N Show, if it is your first time of coming across the E.B.U.N Show, you should subscribe. Look through our other videos and you'll be convinced that this is where you're supposed to be. Hit the bell so that you can get notification anytime we drop a video. And if you've been following us, hit the like button and don't forget to share with a friend. You're welcome to the upgraded version of the E.B.U.N Show. See ya!